Yo, what is up, everybody? It's your name, and we are live from Miami. This city is absolutely buzzing, the kind of place that just sucks you in with its energy. We're talking white sand beaches, turquoise water, that Art Deco vibe, and a nightlife that just doesn't quit. So we're ditching the itinerary, throwing the guidebook out the window, and diving headfirst into Miami's beating heart. Over the next 30 days, we're hitting up the 30 spots you absolutely cannot miss when you're in this town. Let's go! All right, we're kicking things off at the one and only South Beach. The sand really is as white as they say, and the water? It's like someone cranked up the saturation slider in real life. This place is electric, with people from all walks of life just soaking up the sun. South Beach is an experience, and we're here for it. You can't come to Miami without cruising down Ocean Drive. This iconic street is like stepping back in time, with those pastel-colored Art Deco buildings on one side and the sparkling Atlantic on the other. The energy here is contagious. Music spilling out of every doorway, the rumble of classic cars, and a constant stream of people from all over the world. Okay, get ready to have your mind blown. Wynwood Walls is not your average art museum. This place is a sprawling outdoor gallery where some of the world's best street artists have transformed ordinary buildings into vibrant masterpieces. It's gritty, it's inspiring, it's raw, it's Miami. All right, we're stepping into a different side of Miami for a moment. Vizcaya Museum and Gardens is like stepping into a time machine and landing in a Renaissance Italian villa. You can almost hear the clinking champagne glasses and the whispers of lavish parties from a bygone era. Get ready to empty your wallets because the Miami Design District is a playground for those with expensive taste. We're talking high-end fashion boutiques, cutting-edge art galleries, and sleek restaurants where you can drop some serious cash on a meal. Just try not to drool on the designer handbags. You can practically smell the Cuban coffee and cigars the moment you step foot in Little Havana. This vibrant neighborhood is like stepping into a different world, with its colorful murals, dominoes slamming on tables, and the sounds of salsa music filling the air. Make sure you grab a Cuban sandwich while you're here. Trust me on this one. Time for some retail therapy with a side of stunning waterfront views. Bayside Marketplace is your one-stop shop for souvenirs, clothing, and just about anything else you can imagine. But the real highlight here is the atmosphere. It's the perfect place to grab a bite, soak up the Miami vibe, and maybe even catch a boat tour. Need a break from the city's hustle and bustle? The Miami Beach Botanical Garden is your tranquil escape. It's the perfect place to escape the concrete jungle for a while and reconnect with nature. Calling all art lovers. The Perez Art Museum Miami, or PAM as the cool kids call it, is a must-visit for its stunning collection of contemporary art. The building itself is a work of art, with its hanging gardens and waterfront location. Seriously, the views from this place are incredible. Get ready for an underwater adventure at the Miami Seaquarium. This place is home to dolphins, killer whales, sea lions, and a whole bunch of other marine creatures that'll leave you in awe. Make sure you catch one of the shows. The dolphin show is a classic, but the killer whale show is on another level. Fairchild Tropical Botanic Garden, a plant lover's paradise. Get ready to have your mind blown by nature at the Fairchild Tropical Botanic Garden. This sprawling garden is home to an incredible variety of tropical plants, from towering palms to delicate orchids. Keep an eye out for the rare butterflies. They're like the celebrities of the butterfly world. Escape the city buzz and head to Bill Baggs Cape Florida State Park for a dose of history and natural beauty. You can explore the historic lighthouse, relax on the pristine beach, or rent a kayak and explore the mangroves. Keep an eye out for dolphins. They're known to hang out in these waters. Step into a Mediterranean dream in the heart of Miami at Coral Gables. Spend an afternoon wandering through the shops, grabbing a bite at a sidewalk cafe, and soaking up the European ambiance. Escape to a tropical paradise lost in time at the Kampong. Wander through the lush gardens, discover hidden pathways, and let the tranquility of this hidden gem wash over you. Got little ones in tow? The Miami Children's Museum is a must-visit. This interactive museum is all about making learning fun, with exhibits that let kids explore everything from the human body to the world of construction. Step back in time at the Deering Estate, a historic estate that offers a glimpse into Miami's past. Explore the Grand House, wander through the nature trails, and take in the breathtaking views of Biscayne Bay. This place is a hidden gem that's perfect for a day trip, a picnic, or just a quiet escape from the city. The Freedom Tower is more than just a pretty building. It's a symbol of hope and freedom for Cuban exiles who fled to Miami in the 1960s. Today, it stands as a museum and cultural center, sharing their stories and preserving their heritage. A visit here is a moving experience that'll give you a new perspective on Miami's history. Prepare to have your mind blown at the Philip and Patricia Frost Museum of Science. This state-of-the-art museum is a playground for curious minds of all ages, with interactive exhibits exploring everything from the human body to the vastness of space. Don't miss the planetarium show. It's a truly immersive experience that'll leave you feeling like you've traveled to the stars. Get ready for an adventure through the animal kingdom at Jungle Island. This eco-adventure park is home to a diverse collection of animals from around the world, from playful monkeys to majestic tigers. You can interact with some of the animals, watch exciting shows, and learn about conservation efforts. Take a stroll along the Miami Riverwalk for a different perspective on the city. This scenic walkway winds along the Miami River, offering stunning views of the city skyline, passing boats, and the vibrant Brickell neighborhood. Crandon Park is your one-stop shop for a fun-filled day in the Miami sun. It's the perfect place to escape the city and enjoy some quality time with family and friends. Lummis Park is the beating heart of South Beach, where locals and tourists come together to soak up the sun, play volleyball, and enjoy the vibrant atmosphere. Take a stroll along the paved path, people watch to your heart's content, or just find a spot on the sand and enjoy the view. Take a dip in history at the Venetian Pool, a historic swimming pool in the heart of Coral Gables. It's the perfect place to cool off on a hot day and experience a piece of Miami's past. Escape the concrete jungle and immerse yourself in nature at Oleta River State Park. It's the perfect place to reconnect with nature and enjoy the great outdoors without leaving the city. Take a moment to reflect and remember at the Holocaust Memorial Miami Beach. This powerful memorial honors the 6 million Jewish victims of the Holocaust with a series of sculptures, a wall of names, and a tranquil garden. It's a sobering reminder of the horrors of the past and the importance of tolerance and understanding. Step back in time to the glamorous era of Art Deco architecture in the Art Deco Historic District. This iconic neighborhood is home to hundreds of preserved buildings featuring the signature geometric designs, pastel colors, and whimsical details of the Art Deco style. Take a guided tour, wander the streets at your own pace, or just grab a drink at a sidewalk cafe and soak up the unique atmosphere. Escape the city buzz without leaving the city at Morningside Park. This waterfront park offers stunning views of Biscayne Bay, walking paths, a playground, and plenty of green space for picnics and relaxation. It's the perfect place to enjoy a quiet morning, watch the sunset over the water, or just enjoy some peace and quiet. Bayfront Park is where the city comes alive, with events, concerts, festivals, and a vibrant atmosphere. This waterfront park offers stunning views of the city skyline, a playground, a sandy beach, and plenty of space for relaxation. It's the perfect place to catch a concert, enjoy a picnic with a view, or just people watch to your heart's content. Calling all design lovers. The Wolfsonian FIU is a museum like no other, showcasing a fascinating collection of objects from the late 19th and early 20th centuries. From furniture to propaganda posters, each object tells a story about the social, political, and artistic movements of the time. It's a must-visit for anyone interested in design, history, or just curious about the world around them. End your Miami adventure on a relaxing note at Matheson Hammock Park. This unique park features a man-made atoll pool, perfect for a refreshing dip, as well as walking trails, picnic areas, and stunning views of Biscayne Bay. It's the perfect place to unwind, enjoy the natural beauty of Miami, and reflect on all the amazing experiences you've had. Miami, you've been amazing. So there you have it, 30 incredible places that make Miami the vibrant, eclectic, and unforgettable city that it is. From the beaches to the museums, the parks to the neighborhoods, Miami has something to offer everyone. If you're planning a trip to Miami, make sure you hit up these spots. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel adventures. Peace out from Miami.